We're outside again after our heavy meal, and we're going to look around. Now that morning, our second day in Amsterdam, and we are going to go back to Germany later. So we're just looking for breakfast. Actually me, I woke up around 6 a.m. and I couldn't. And now we are in Chinatown. Actually, not Chinatown. Yes, you can see so many bikes. People just come out of nowhere.